darkness, infinite, silent. From the void, a light awakens. It does not flicker, it does not stumble. It cuts, pure, radiant, undeniable. And from that light, a shape begins to form. Steel, sculpted like poetry. Glass, curved as though touched by the hands of wind itself. A silhouette that feels both otherworldly and inevitable. They gave it a name that carries the weight of paradise itself. A word that whispers promise, that sings of escape. That defines a vision not of Earth, but of a dream. Elysium. The Elysium 2026. Not just an evolution, not just a creation, but an invitation. An invitation into a world where travel is not endured, but transcended. Where roads do not bind you, they liberate you. Where comfort is not a feature, it is the very essence of being. The Elysium 2026. Welcome to the future of freedom. Exterior presence, the first encounter. The city, alive, breathing. A cathedral of glass and neon. And through its veins, the Elysium moves. Headlights pierce the night like eyes of a new dawn. Their glow dances across rain-slick asphalt, each reflection a brushstroke painting the streets with elegance. Its body glides through the metropolis, every angle futuristic, every curve deliberate, every line whispering, "This is tomorrow." But the city is not enough. The Elysium seeks more. The road stretches out, snaking into mountain passes. And with grace, the machine ascends. Golden light ignites its polished body. Motion blurs at its edges. Wheels kiss asphalt with silent confidence. The world below fades into mist. Up here, silence becomes symphony. And when the summit is reached, there is only stillness. The Elysium waits by the edge of a crystal lake, its reflection flawless, its presence eternal. Against the horizon, its form seems less like a vehicle and more like a vision. Interior immersion. The world within, open the door, step inside, and the world changes. The chaos outside dissolves, replaced by stillness, serenity, sanctuary. Leather breathes beneath your touch, soft, warm, alive. Wood trims shimmer with polish, catching light like rivers of amber. Surfaces do not simply exist, they invite, they embrace, they belong. The cockpit awakens with a whisper of light. Screens bloom across the dash, digital constellations guiding every decision. Every control rests at your fingertips, intuitive, effortless, inevitable. Ambient light spills through the cabin, shifting with your mood, painting atmosphere into existence. This is not technology for display. This is intimacy made digital. The seats recline, cradling you like memory foam sculpted from dreams. Cup holders glow, silence holds, and above, a panoramic roof reveals infinity. Stars scatter their brilliance, as if the universe itself were framed just for you. This is not interior design, this is immersion. A world within the world, a space where every journey feels like arrival. Performance and innovation, the silent force. But beauty alone is never enough, because beneath its elegance, the Elysium carries power, intelligent, silent, alive. Acceleration flows not with noise, but with grace. A surge of motion so smooth, you do not notice speed, you notice serenity. Every curve is mastered, every incline conquered, every mile refined. Adaptive intelligence reads the road ahead. Safety systems shield like unseen guardians. Navigation predicts before you even ask. This is not driving, this is symphony. A collaboration between man and machine, between vision and execution, between dream and reality. The Elysium 2026 is not just transport, it is trust rendered in motion. Lifestyle freedom, home under the stars and then night. The world exhales and the Elysium transforms. From vessel into home. From movement into belonging. Soft light glows through its windows, wrapping the cabin in warmth. The lounge unfolds into sanctuary, a space for laughter, connection, memory. And as silence deepens, the stars awaken overhead. Through the panoramic roof, the heavens pour in. Every constellation framed, every dream mirrored above your resting place. Beds unfold into softness. Light fades into serenity. You are not camping. You are not traveling. You are living. Redefined. A morning coffee brewed at sunrise. A glass of wine poured at dusk. Moments stitched into memory, woven by a home that follows you wherever horizons call. This is not a motorhome. This is not a vehicle. This is freedom sculpted into steel and light. The Elysium 2026, a dream beneath the stars. Seamless call to action. The invitation, the Elysium 2026. A silhouette of tomorrow. A sanctuary of luxury. A symphony of innovation. A home beneath the stars. This is not just design. This is destiny. Not just travel. Transformation. Not just movement. Meaning. So now, as the light fades and the stars gather, we ask you, if freedom looked like this, if comfort felt like this, if the horizon belonged to you, where would you go? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share your dream, because the future has arrived, and its name is Elysium 2026.